That didn't go far. Oh, so close.
Oh, there's some more.
Ducky. Be a ducky. Closer.
Whoever wants to be brave.
Ducky. 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 Ducky.
If you hold it out, he'll try to eat it from your hand.
Ducky.
Bring it back.
Ducky. Come here.
I held it out and they took it from my hand. And they tore it apart.
Duck.
Quick, before they get it.
Yeah. Duh. Ducky. Yeah.
Where did you... Yeah, I'm gonna throw it at you. Crackers, anybody?
Yeah.
Get a bigger piece of bread and hold it out to them. No, I'm scared they might bite me.
Duck.
All I'm gonna do is...
Yeah.
You see that come up, right? I'll come right up to you.
Yeah.
Hey, just don't start. Hey! That bread is mine. You're taking pieces off of it.
I need another piece. Oh, you scared me. Someone should go get more bread.
I don't think we can go. Here, you want some more bread? This is all of it. I don't think I'll pay you. Here. Here. Oh, I thought you didn't have any bread. Here, catch. Catch. That's it.
We can take a picture. Somebody.
I took 3, I think. When they were in the water and then 2 when they got up.
Oh.
I don't got no more. I'm gonna go over there.
Duck. Yeah. No. Fine.
Oh my gosh. I heard something. I was like, what is that sound? And I put my arm down.
Gimme.
Mary, he took mine. He's so cute.
Come here.
Oh, back up. Sarah, back up.
Ah. Fine. Yeah.
I think the goose grab it more. Go to that goose, Scarlett. Let's hold it out.
Oh. No.
I am appalled of you two.
Wait.
Still got bread.
Yeah. Goose thing. Goose. Goose. Come here, Goose.
Goosey.
Goose.
Goose.
Come here. I tried to give you bread.
Have to show to his face.
Okay, he's moving away. Or her, or whatever. No, it's not for you. Or you.
Guys, get them farther on land. That way we can chase them. And they can't jump into the water.
Hold on.
I want to just clip.
Come here, Goose. Ow, it bit me.